there's firms that like to be super aggressive. There's firms that like to be ultra conservative. I would say we fall in the middle. We take advantage of the tax code as much as possible, and maximize deductions. So when we're doing accounting and keeping track of financial statements, when we're preparing returns, we generally push back if we don't believe we can defend that return. And so, if there are errors and there's happens to be an audit, which we, haven't had since 2011 up until now, but fingers crossed. But we, if there was an audit, then certainly, and if it was our mistake, we would step in and do what we needed to do to take care of it. We have professional insurance. If that there was a major mistake on our part, that there was an audit done by that's where our professional insurance may step in and help too. But in any case, when we're preparing returns, we're ultimately trying to avoid red flags, and make sure it's reported properly. One of the things clients get into before they come to us is just sometimes expenses will just be generalized and put into one bucket as other business expenses as one big line. And the IRS has AI audit tools that pick up on these things based off your industry, based off your revenue, and if it's not reported properly in the right category, that can strip out an audit. And we've had those audits from clients that came to us with returns prior to us preparing them that we helped them along with. But for example, one of those got kicked out into an audit because half of their expenses were reported in one general category where they should have split it out. So those are the type of basic mistakes that we want to avoid, and we're working to avoid when we're preparing returns and communicating with clients to make them understand we want to avoid these issues, and this is why we're pushing back on the data you may have submitted to us. And at the end of the day, we want to make sure it's clean and proper before it gets submitted. Certainly reach out to us if you feel like you have CPA needs. If you own a business, rental property, you feel like you're not getting proactive advisory and proactive tax planning, tax savings, my team is here to help. It's not me doing all the work. We have a team behind us. Check out the Meet the Team page on our website at insognacpa.com. It's INSOGNA CPA.com. And certainly love to at least have a conversation, see if we're the right fit for you, and see how we can help you going forward.